Alright, it's rolling.
No, me. You fell. Here, give me one behind. Well, exactly. It's because I have to hop up.
Don't put it high.
Well, you have to. It's close range.
Are you aiming at that one?
Yep. I'm aiming at the second one too.
Alright.
Okay, ready? Go get this one. I missed it.
Failure at life.
And that's because it went right. There we go.
Go get your gun. See, you go get your gun and you go get mine.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I win.
Okay, there, guys. I'm gonna go set up a target on the pallets over there. David.
Like anybody.
Alright, keep shooting at the keep shooting at that in the inside of that.
What?
The inside.
Cody, you can have your mag.
I'm gonna go here. Somebody come with me because I don't. No. I'm taking this for some insurance when I go set up the thing on the pallet.
I'm not gonna shoot you. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Oh my God, David. That thing's like curving down like.
I know, that's why I'm saying I need to hop up.
No.
Oh.
Shoot it.
Wait, I'm gonna hit. No. I'm gonna hit this target. I'm gonna hit it. I've got it.
What are you aiming at?
No. Yeah, no, I'm gonna hit this thing. I'm gonna hit it.
You're not gonna hit it.
Yes, I
No.
I'm tempted. Oh.
I thought yours had a full step stuff.
Very inconsistent. Aiming right at it. Oh, I'm like 2 inches to the right.